Welcome, guys, to episode 36 of How We Build Five-Story Building. Here we are with an update on the drainage system. We are working with the civil contractor that is installing all the system for the drainage of the building. Fast forward with the work. We are excavating inside of the street, the middle of the street, connect all the drainage that we did inside the property with the outside drainage from the city. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell for more update on how we build five-story building. Thanks for watching.